Hello everyone, this is IC, and I'm just going to show you how the Fijian Alphabets ebook is going to help you learn the alphabets, their pronunciation, and also the pronunciation of the words as examples of the alphabets. So this is the first one of the first pages inside the ebook, and as you can see, that's the letters there and the words that begins with the alphabets. And you also got these speaker icons that you can listen to the alphabets being pronounced and the words at the bottom. That was the first alphabet, and the second one. So basically that's the new book. So click on the link at the bottom to buy your ebook today.